We'll guide you through how to fix a YouTube app not working. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This problem can be really annoying as you're then unable to go and watch your favorite YouTube videos. We've got some different fixes you can try. Let's dive right into them. For the first way, swipe up from the bottom of your phone, and then what you want to do is go and fully close YouTube like so. Then try opening it again and see if that solves it. If it still doesn't, open your control center by dragging down on the battery in the top right. You want to go and switch on airplane mode and make sure you go and turn off Wi-Fi as well, and then you can go and turn airplane mode off and Wi-Fi back on. Wait for your phone to reconnect, open it up and see if it now works. If it still won't, open the App Store. Press search in the bottom right and go and type in YouTube. If you go and see the option for update, go and do it. If there's no update available or it doesn't solve it, then let's try deleting it and getting it again. So tap and hold on the YouTube app, we can press remove app and then press delete app and confirm the decision. Now return to the App Store, press search in the bottom right and search for YouTube and press the cloud icon to download it again. When it's finished, open it up and see if the problem's now solved. Press the profile icon in the top right or the bottom right, find the option for settings in the list or it'll be in the top right, press general and then you want to make sure the location is set correctly. Hopefully the problem's solved. Leave a like if you found this useful.